The Redmi A3X. It has a 6.7-inch 720p display that also has a 90Hz refresh rate. It is available in 3 colors: midnight black, moonlight white, and aurora green. The one I'm currently holding is the moonlight white, so let me know what you think about this color in the comments. Battery life on this phone is the selling point, honestly, thanks to its 5000 mAh battery, which takes about 2 days for it to fully drain. As for the charging time, it charges with its 10-watt charger and takes about 2 hours to get from 0 to 100 based on my own test. The phone comes in 2 variants: the 3GB 64GB model, which goes for 99,900, and the 4GB 128GB model, which goes for 116,900 naira. Send us a DM if you'd like to get any one of them. When it comes to taking pictures, the Redmi A3X does a good job. Here's another picture of me taking with the A3X, and here's another picture of me taking with the same 15 Pro Max. All of this is achieved with an 8-megapixel camera at the back and a 5-megapixel camera in the front. So whether you're a student, a professional, or you're just looking for a secondary device, this device is something you should consider. So let us know in the comments if you'll be getting it. Or go bass, never disappoints.